Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing ignominy as one of the aggravating circumstances. Ignominy. The aggravating circumstance of ignominy shall be taken into account if means are employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the offense, or if the crime was committed in a manner that tends to make its effects more humiliating to the victim, that is, add to her moral suffering. Dito, ang akusado ay gumamit ng mga paraan o nagkaroon ng sitwasyon na nagdadagdag ng kahihiyan sa karaniwang epekto ng krimen, o kung ginawa ang krimen sa paraang mas nakakahiya sa biktima na nagdadagdag sa kanyang moral na pagdurusa. Kailan may ignominy? The Supreme Court in previous rape cases has held the following circumstances ignominious. First, where the accused ordered the complainant to exhibit to them her complete nakedness for about 10 minutes before raping her. Second, where the rape was committed in front of the husband of the victim or by two or more persons in view of one another. Third, where the sexual intercourse was performed in the dog-style position. And fourth, where the accused plastered mud on the victim's private part. Ignominy was also present in People v. Larano, where the victim was pregnant and whose pleas on that ground were ignored by the accused, who went on to force his lust on her. The accused then tied a banana fiber around his penis and inserted it again into her vagina. Thereafter, he pulled out his organ and forced the victim to suck it. Paano naman kung sa public place ginawa yung krimen? Necessarily nakakahiya ito. Iko-consider ba yung ignominy as aggravating circumstance? The fact that the crime was committed in a public place and in the presence of many persons did not necessarily tend to make the effects of the crime more humiliating or put the offended party to shame. Hindi automatic, titignan pa rin natin kung paano ginawa ang krimen, anong klaseng krimen, anong lugar, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.